are going to talk about the most difficult considered topic, and the topic is how to solve the word problems in mathematics. And here I'm going to I'm going to share a very simple 4 steps of solving word problems. So look at the steps, 4 general steps of solving word problems. And the first step is understand the problem. The second step is make a plan. The third step is carry out the plan. And fourth step is check your answer. While doing any mathematical work, it's really very important that you have to check your answer at last. Okay, so now we will discuss each and every step in detail. So coming towards the first step, understand the word problem, means understand the situation of the given problem. Okay, the first step of problem solving is understand the problem. It's really very important that before solving the word problem, we must understand the word problem. When you read a problem, it's important that you understand the problem before you try to solve it. It's not very easy to understand the word problem by reading one time. So for this, you have to read the problem 2 or 3 times. Okay, then you are able to understand the situation of the problem. Okay, read it again and again. This is a very important trick. If you are not going to understand the problem, then read it again and again. Okay, and if the language of the problem is difficult for you, then make it easier or translate it in your own understandable language. Okay, so read a word problem once and again read it carefully, looking for important clues. When you read the problem again and again, then you have to find out the keywords which is actually given to find out the solution, to find out the way to solve the word problem. So while reading the problem, it's really very important to find out the keywords. Clear? So the first step of understanding the word problem is to underline the keywords, is to circle the keywords. And the second step, okay, when you are going to find the keywords in the word problem, then think about the keywords. For example, if the word total is used or altogether is used, तो आपके माइंड में ऑटोमेटिकली क्लिक हो जाता है that we have to do the addition, whether the first step is addition or the last step is addition. It may depend on the situation of the problem. The problem is of 2 step, 1 step or 3 step. Coming towards the next step of understanding the word problem is important numbers. Okay, so there are some keywords after that, but there are some numbers that is really very helpful while finding the solution, while finding the answer of the problem. So you must circle or underline or highlight the important numbers as well to understand the problem. So when you have to do these 2 steps, means the first one is keywords and the second one is important numbers. It shows you that how you are going to understand the word problem. Next is question that the problem asks, means to say that what is the requirement of the problem. That's really very important. Okay, what is the requirement of the problem, what you have to find, what is the required one. This is also really very important, and it should be very clear in your mind. That's why then you have to find out the solution correctly. Okay, so make it clear that what's the requirement of the problem according to the given situation. For this, underline the important information. Obviously, in problem there are some important numbers, some important information, some important keywords, and you have to sort out all these things by reading, and by reading you can eventually understand the problem. Okay, so these are the 3 sub elements, sub components of the first step, understand the word problem. Students, coming towards the second step, make a plan. So in this step, we are going to make a plan to solve the problem. And what are the steps of making plan? So first we are going to looking for the clues and keywords. So we have to set the plans according to these clues and keywords. These clues and keywords that is given in the problem are really very helpful to find the solution, to find the required one. So we have to look for the clues and keywords. Okay. Second, it's really very easy if we are going to give a pictorial representation of the problem, which is in a form of picture for the lower grade, which is in a form of model for the grade 3, 4, 5, and which is in a form of number line if the problem involves the word problem that involves time. Clear? So it's very easy. You have to clarify all your understanding through pictures, through models. Clear? And the next step is guess the operation. After doing all these steps of making a plan, then you are going to find out that what's the correct operation. Then you are going to estimate in your mind that what's the correct operation to find out the solution. Even if it is addition, simple, subtraction, multiplication, or division, are a combination of these operations, means 2-step word problem, sometime it is 3-step word problem. The clues are helping you to find that which operation you are actually applying while solving the problem. Okay, so this is the second step to make a plan. It's totally up to you that you have to represent your word problem, represent your understanding through pictures or through statements. There are two opportunities, there are two ways of solving word problem, through model or through statements. It's totally up to you that you have to adopt which method. Obviously, the method that is more convenient for you, that is more understandable for you. Okay, now students, coming towards the third step is actually carry out the plan. In the previous step, we have to make a plan for solving word problem, and now this is the working step of solving word problem, in which we are going to work on the plan. Clear? So this is carry out the plan, and how we carry out the plan. All the steps are done in the second step of solving word problem. All the things are clear. Now we are going to apply these strategies to solve the word problem actually. So the first is we have to write the number sentence according to the clues and keywords that we are going to looking for in the second step. Now write the number sentence. It means we have to do the operation according to this number sentence, and we have to use the operation to find out the solution. So in this third step you have to look for two statements. आप ये ना समझें कि इन two statements के through हमारा word problem solve हो जाएगा. No, there are variety of situations, but these are the general steps. Maybe there are some variations in this step. कुछ steps ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे, कुछ कम हो जाएंगे. Write the number sentence doesn't mean only one number sentence. There are maybe 2 or 3 number sentence according to the situation of the problem, because some word problem involves 2 steps, some word problem is of 2 steps, some 3 steps, but these are the steps, and you have to follow these steps in order to find out the to solve the word problem easily. So we have to actually, this is the working step of solving word problem, in which we are going to write the number sentence according to all the information that we gather, that we collect in the second step, and do the operations. After doing the operation, we have to find out some numerical answers. Clear? And in this step, after making the model or picture, reread the word problem and solve the problem. So in this step, this is the working step. When we are going to completely work out on the plan, so we have to reread the word problem to find out that we are going absolutely right or wrong. So just the purpose of rereading the word problem is that कि हमने अपने steps situations के according create किए या नहीं. This is only the purpose, that we have to solve the word problem according to the given clue. Now this is the last and the final step of solving word problem. Check your answer. In the previous step, carry out a plan, we are going to completely solve the we are going to completely solve the word problem using operation. But in this we have to check each and every step, work backward to recheck the answer. So we are going to work backward to recheck the proper answer, that we have to solve the word problem according to the given situation. कुछ मिस आउट तो नहीं हो गया. दैट्स वाई द चेकिंग स्टेप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चेकिंग स्टेप्स इज़ एक्चुअली ब्राइटन योर ऑल द स्टेप्स. जब आप चेकिंग करते हैं तो आपके सारे स्टेप्स ब्राइटन हो जाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस चेकिंग, क्योंकि मिस्टेक हाईलाइट हो जाती है, मिस्टेक को आप करेक्ट कर लेते हो. दैट एक्चुअली enhance the beauty of your work. Okay, so checking is very important. Check your answer, and for checking what we have to do, we have to work backward to check the answer. First we are going to look at the operations that we have to do in carry out a plan step. Then we have to go backward, make a plan. To recheck that, we have to do the operations according to the plan, and then we have to go backward to understand the problem and find out that we have to make a plan according to the understanding of the word problem, and then go back again and we have to read the problem and check that we have to find out the clues and important information according to the given situation. So this is how we work backward to recheck the answer. I hope you all are clear. If you have any confusion, then ask me about this.